the room backing up, back and forth. See how the blue magnifying glass? It means it detected a dirty area. This is some of the advanced tracking that's in the Roomba 870. Pretty awesome. And it's definitely a worthy upgrade. Yeah, you can actually see the ground's pretty dirty here because of this guy. Yes, yes, you're the one who sheds fur and dirt everywhere. So Roomba's doing his job of cleaning. I haven't even seen the Roomba go in circles, which is pretty cool. It's pretty low profile. It would actually fit under this dresser over here. Watch this. Yeah, look at that. Oh, found a dirty area. Back and forth. Back and forth. Alright. Let me show you something cool about the Roomba 870. This is the container. I think it's kind of small. Your first time running, you definitely will fill this thing up. The inside compartment here, the filter is a HEPA filter, which is much higher quality than you would get in the lower class models, which is just pretty much a piece of cloth. So yeah, it has all the fine particles of dust in here that this filter is catching. In there. And what the hell is that? Oh, this. I guess this detects if there's a filter in there or not. There. Okay. This is the bottom of the Roomba. I mean, there's a bunch of hair that's caught up in here. Oh, I thought this actually, these rollers does not catch hair, but apparently it does. There's a bunch of fuzz right here in the hair, but it's actually much easier to clean than the normal bristle brushes. You see how I was able to just pick it out with my hands? So that's another thing that's really nice about this model of Roomba. The rollers are very easy to clean. So these rollers are dirty. This model has more sensors than the lower models. I have the 595 that I bought from Costco. I remember there's more sensors here and here, so it allows it to go back and forth and find the dirty areas. It still has the same problem here with the side brush, but I'm able to pick it off and rip out the hair. Kind of gross, but oh well. And that's pretty much it. If you're considering this considering this model over the cheaper model, I'd say is a worthy upgrade just due to the cleaning enhancements. So go out and get you one. Oh, and I also got a discount on this from Buzz Agent, so I gotta give them a shout out and thanks. And happy vacuuming.